morning, students. Today we will start with the new topic of chapter 1 place value, that is Roman numerals. Right? We use Hindu-Arabic numbers for counting things, and Roman people, or in ancient Roman, they use Roman numbers for counting the things. Okay. Now, what type of numbers they use for Roman numbers? In Roman numbers they use alphabets. Okay, they use only 7 alphabets, and with the help of it they make all the numbers, they count it. Let me tell you which alphabets. That is I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Okay, I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These are the 7 alphabets which they use for counting. Okay, now what is the meaning? What I stands for? I stands for, I means 1. I means 1. Okay, and V means 5. Then X means 10. L means 50. C means 100. D means 500. And M means 1000. See, it is very easy to remember. If you want to remember, you should remember first this IVX, LCDM. Then 151. See the first digit of all the numbers. 1515151. Then here no zeros are there, right? Here 1 0 is there. Here 2 zeros and here 3 zeros. Like this way you can remember it. Okay. I stands for 1, V for 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. Right? Now, before starting the numbers, how to write the numbers, okay, I would like to explain the rules of it. Here they have made certain rules that any number, any of the alphabet cannot be repeated. The letters cannot be repeated, can't be repeated for more than 3 times. Okay. First rule is this, that the letters cannot be repeated. It can't be repeated more than 3 times. Means only for 3 times. Maximum for 3 times they can be repeated. Okay. The next rule is, when you are writing a letter, any of the letter, when the letter is used or written before bigger value letter, bigger value, okay, then it is subtracted. It is subtracted. Okay, let me give you one example. If I write I, okay, before X is 10 and I is 1, then what I have to do is, X means 10 minus I means 1 is equal to 9. So 9 is written in Roman like IX. Okay, this is the example of it. Okay. Now the third rule. The third rule is, when the letter is used or written after the bigger value. Bigger value letter, okay, then it is added. Let me give you an example. That is V. V means 5. V means 5. And I am adding here, I am writing here I. I means 1. Means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So 6 is written VI in Roman numbers, right? These are the main 3 rules which you have to remember right now. in 4th standard. Still more rules are there, but you have to learn that rules in your next class. Okay, fine. Now let us start how to write by using this all rules and this all things. How can we write the numbers? Okay, let us start by using it. I am rubbing this all. Okay, and I am showing you here the number. Just see, we will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right? Now how we will write these numbers? Just see here. Okay. Now these are Hindu-Arabic numbers which we are using for counting. Right? 1 is written as I. Okay. I means 1. Now 2 is written as 2 times I. I means 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay. Now 3 is written 3 times I. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. I. Right. Now we don't know. Now see here. See the rule. First rule is letters can't be repeated for more than 3 times. So I cannot write here I for 4 times. Okay. Then what to do for 4? But I know that 5 means V. V means 5. Right. Now remember the rule. Second rule. What was the rule? We can use the smaller letter before the bigger letter. You can subtract. So what I'll do? 5 minus I means 1 is equal to 4. I have used this. This letter is bigger value and this is the smaller value. 1 and 5. Okay, so 5 minus 1, 4. Same way here. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 8. Right? Now see here again 3 times I came. So I cannot repeat it again. Okay, so we cannot write here V plus I plus I plus I plus I. Right? You cannot write. But we all know that 10 means X. 10 means X. Again our rule. This one rule. Okay. X minus I, that makes 9. Okay, this is the way how we are writing 1 to 10 in Roman numbers, right? 1 to. So now we will start how to write from 11. Okay, 11 means here you will write 10 and plus 1, the second rule. After the higher value, bigger value, if we write the smaller value, we have to add it. Okay, the letter we have to add 10 plus 1. Okay, same way how to write 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Right? Let me show you that. 12 means 10 plus 1 plus 1. So it is 12. 10 plus 1 plus 1. So it is 12. Then 13 means 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 10 plus 3 times 1 means 13. 10, 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 and 10. So 13. Same way how to write 14 now. Again, we cannot repeat more than 3 times. So 10 plus 4. We know what is 4 now, right? 10 plus 4. Same way 10 plus 5. Okay? 10 plus 5. Then 10 plus 5 plus 1. That is 16. 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. That is, this is 7. 10 plus 7. So 17. Again 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This 3 makes 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 means 8. Right? Means 8. So 10 plus 8. 18. Same way 10 plus 9. This ix means 9. See, we cannot repeat here. 3 times I came. So we cannot repeat again. So again 9 and 10 we are adding here. Okay, 10 plus 9. And here 10 plus 10, 2 times x means 10 plus 10 makes 20. Okay, like this way you have to make the numbers, Roman numbers. if you want to remember, there is a trick. What you have to do? 1 to 10 you should know how to make it. Okay. Then write 1 to 10 here. You have to write C. And before 1 to 10, every time I have added 10. Why? Because 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 3, 13. Same way 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3. Like that way you have to write. Now here it is 20. How to write from 21 to 30? Very simple. Same way 1 to 10 you write down, and before that you have to add 2 times x, that is 20, that is 21, right? Let me show you how to write. I am rubbing the rules over here and showing you how to write the further numbers, right? These 3 rules how we have used, that I have already told you. Okay. Now let us go to the next one, that is 21. 21 means 2 times x and 1. Then 22. 2 times x, that is 10 plus 10 plus I plus I. 23. X plus x plus I plus I plus I. Right? 24. X plus x plus I plus 5. Matlab 4. Right? IV means 4, that we all know now. Right? And 20 means 10 plus 10. 25 means x x v. 26 means x x v I. 27 means x x v I I. 28 means x x v I I. Right? Now now 29 comes, right? 3 times came, so we cannot repeat, but we all know what is 9. X x I x, that is 29, right? Same way 30. 30 means x x x. 3 times x. 10 plus 10 plus 10 makes 30, right? Now we will continue with the same method from 31 to 40. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Right? What we will do for 31? Same method. You have to use 1 to 10, and before this numbers you have to write 3 times x. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay? 10 plus 10 plus 10 means x x x I means 31. Okay? X x x I 32. X x x I 33. X x x I v 34. X x x v 35. X x x v I 36. X x x v I 37. X x x v I 38. X x x I x 39. Now see, in 40 we cannot repeat x x x x, because the rule was you cannot repeat any letter more than 3 times. Maximum times 3. So now here already 3 times you have written. So what to do now? Remember that what I have taught you about the letters. What were the letters? 7 letters were there. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. 1, 5, 10, 50, then 100, 500 and 1000. Right? If we cannot write 40, but we know that L means 50. L means 50. 50 minus 10 makes 40. Right? If you write a smaller value letter before the bigger value letter, you have to subtract. L means 50, X means 10, 50 minus 10 makes 40. Clear? Okay, like this way you can write the Roman numbers and you can remember the Roman numbers very easily. In next video we will start with the exercise. That's all for today.